This year the Queen Quet, one more again for this year, Gullah Geechee Nation News. So look at children, honey, and getting you to crack to keep a pearl before. But this year, the end of the year, we are wrap them up with this year holiday soiree and things like that. So we will take you inside so you get a little taste of what we've been a taste this year day at TCL down here in Beaufort in South Kakalaki here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. Honey, children, this year, the one wine on.
So glad to be back here. So glad for walking and doing. And people are sweating, thought I ain't make a come. But somebody have been telling me December 1st, you know. And then I get a flyer later, say December 2nd. So I said, oh, that's how they could do me. Oh, okay. They tried to trick me out the party, but I young. But yeah, so I'm glad to walk in here and see all of the children's face and think everybody looks so good to me. They've been glad to come back home after I've been to travel all around the world. Some of y'all on Facebook been to see some of the people we've been with. But nothing like coming home. You know what I'm saying? It's like you can meet a lot of the rest of the people, but they ain't got the same heart that the people at home have. And so even everywhere where I've been going, been talking like the work on the children, been to do nothing young. I'm glad to get the different emails and message and everything to talk about attention and all that. And let me give you the word right now. I coming back in the spring semester. Alright? You don't tell me that. I coming back. Alright? We're going to work something out so I can be around y'all more regular. Alright? But yeah, we're glad to see all 100 children and things like that. Don't eat too much now, because y'all know y'all still got weight on from last week. Y'all need to say, y'all know y'all still got weight on from last week. And y'all to add on. How many of y'all got the weed? Anybody got the weed?
Yeah, I'm about to get
some of y'all got, you about to get one? Okay, the other one who ain't got no, we got to have a weed party, get y'all exercise off some of this extra weight, y'all. That could be the thing in January. We'll come in here and get a little weed party going and work on some of this extra food. Because I know y'all can get at least 10 pounds between now and the end of the year eating up all this food, but that's all right. But I definitely want to thank the whole staff of the PILAU office. Please, y'all, get up a round of applause for working hard this whole semester. This is my first chance this is my last chance to be here to thank and congratulate PILAU for winning the gold. Now you know. So when I saw it, I said, what else could they win but gold? The black gold, that's all right. So congratulations, and that is such a blessing and an honor, because it speaks volumes. Because a lot of times people think that, oh, if you go to a community college, that means that you go into something that's less than something else. And PILAU has proven that community college can outrank any college that they want to go up against.
That's right.
So definitely, thank y'all. That is powerful. And that also speaks volumes to what PILAU is all about, which is connecting us all and working with the community, working with the family, and bringing back a lot of what we've been know about when young. All the rest of the time, they know nothing about that. Okay. So that's the thing. It's always staying connected, and as I always tell Mr. Burgers, catching up one another room.
Catching up your room.
That's right, catching up. Oh, look at him. He's over here. He's cranking feet a little bit, y'all. You see that? I got to get him to hang with the queen more. Go ahead on. You will be fluent by the end of next year. So yeah, so that's all right. But definitely it is a blessing. Y'all are blessed. And definitely, Mr. Burgess, you've done an outstanding job. Again, as I said to you when you got here, welcome home. I guess you're getting your feet drowned in the dirt for truth now. But we got plenty of work for you coming up. Because you know planting season is coming up. See that already coming sliding in the fall, you know that when things start to die off. But see, real planting season starts in the new year. So definitely y'all have a lot of positive seeds, and that's all I see in this room. So definitely God will bring the harvest, and that's when the planting begins. So I definitely just want to thank all of you for your hard work. I want to see the report cards. Yeah, post yours on Facebook. The rest of y'all email me a scan, because you might not want the whole world to check that out. So just scan it and email it to me, and don't think I won't come looking for you if I don't get that report card. And I know some of y'all are transferring, but definitely email me so we can stay in touch, stay connected. We're still here to support you. We're still with you. We want you to go all the way as far as you want to go. And when you're there having your kickoff launch party for your businesses that you opening, make sure I get an invite now. Don't give me the wrong date like some people have done. But you know, but go on, send me an invitation, and I'll be right there for you. All right? So God bless y'all. Keep it up, and definitely, this is a merry and special Christmas for me already. Happy holidays to all y'all.